Hi, quick video today. I wanted to go through this error I was having and I found the solution for it, so I want to share it with you. So whenever you try to import a chart of account, and let's say you put some English name for the account and you've got your numbers and stuff like that, but you're trying to give this name all different sorts of text, but you keep getting an error saying that the name of the account you chose is already used, even though it's not on NetSuite. It means that the external ID, the field that's just left of your column that you're having the error on, if the error is inconsistent, then you have to look at the column just before it. And here, for example, the problem is the external ID I'm setting to this field. I actually made a safe search to verify this on the production account of my customer, which of course I can't share here, but it's something that's worth noting and that's going to save you a lot of time. Yeah, I hope this video helped. If so, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.